Hi guys, and welcome back. So, I'm pretty excited because I've got an integrity doll. It's Desert Wind's Tajinder Chowdhury, if I pronounce it correctly. Um, when I saw it, I think it came out in 2020 and I really liked it, but I couldn't get it. And I was just checking out some things and then I saw that he was available here. So I ordered it. So let's see, this is the shipper, and then we have this paper which can come off, and then we've got a huge box which says Monarchs in the front in shiny, and I think it opens, it's opens like this here with some magnets. Okay, and there he is. Let me see, because I haven't checked it out myself. He is gorgeous. The integrity dolls are always gorgeous, but it's really, and very expensive, but it's really nice. So let's see if I can take the accessory pack out. There it is. With the first integrity, I did not know how, but you can just lift it out of the box. It's a little bulged, so I'm not sure what's going on. Oh, it's because of the shoes. Okay. And then here is the little thing, and here is the box with the stuff. So this is the scarf. I will take it out later. Here are the sunglasses with actual working hinges and the beautiful watch. His slip-on loafers or shoes. Second pair of hands. These are the grip hands. And this is some bracelet and the necklace. Because this doll has a different body than the Declan Wake, which is here on standby. Oh. I think this is also a 2020 doll, I'm not sure. I did his hair. His hair was very gelled down, but I have to do it again because it's going into his eye like this all the time. But yeah, he has a very nice watch as well. 366 out of 625. So okay, cool. So you really have got something that not anybody else has, and it's harder to come by. So I actually had to wait for this doll quite some time, but now I've got it on here. In the bottom is his head. I take out his stand, which also says the Monarchs. And there's, oh, that's a big hole for the stand, because this one has just one little hole, and then this stand, okay, which is fastened very neatly with all these ribbons. Very nice. Oh, that's a plastic. That's okay. So he's out of the box. I'm not sure if does he have. Yeah, he has the protective things on the knees. I can feel it. So here he is. Gorgeous face, very nice head mold with flocked hair and then some kind of a beard thingy going on. Very nice. And then he's got this everything on with the details are incredible. And then the white shirt, and then the cuffs with a hook to attach it. I will show you the articulation, which is like this. His arm bends and goes out. This is, oh, it's really a grab hand, and this is just the ordinary hand, and then these linen trousers, and his knees bend, but not now because it's protected. So I'll take his trousers off to get the protective stuff off. And is he slimmer? Actually, I don't really want to undress them totally, but I'm not sure if he is slimmer than the other one. I've got a BMR as well. I love this head mold as well. The Tate head mold and little earrings. Oh, I thought he had earrings as well. Yes, I do see 2 holes in his ear here. 2 little holes. So actually he does come with earrings. Oh, here. With the necklace, also the earrings. Yes, it's also tiny. You really have to pay attention. You can see the size difference. He is way bigger, even with his big hair. You can see that he's way bigger. Taller, sorry. Look, and then his trousers has some drawstring here as well. The Declan wave, as you can see. Oh, it's elastic. Is it? Yes, the trousers are elastic. Okay, so I will take the shirt off of Declan. Give me a sec. This body is more buff, as you can see. Oh, wait. Trousers are also almost fine. Yeah, you can. The abs are different, and the chest is also different. He is a more voluptuous chest than he's way leaner and narrower as well. They're about the same width in shoulders, but the body is, this one is more lean and athletic, and he is more bulky, which is fine. Let's see the arms. Yeah, his arms are also, his arms are bigger than these, because otherwise YouTube will be difficult. So he's anatomically pretty correct. He's got a little thing going on there, and these are the protective things I need to get off. And he has quite a bum as well, so his legs go like this. Okay, I will put his trousers back on. Oh, well, maybe just let's. Yeah, you can see that the abs are different and the chest is different. But it's okay. He's slimmer as well. It's okay. I like that. You know, there are some different sizes in bodies and body types and stuff. Okay, let's get his trousers back on. And he is decent again. There he is. Okay, pieces, but I just took it off as one piece. But it is separate, and it is lined. This is the I don't know how you call it, jacket, vest. I think it's lined very nicely, and then the shirt also very nice. I got his clothes back on, and I even got the pants tied back with this because it's so tiny. It was hardly to do. So yeah, he is back in his beautiful outfit. Also hooks here on the cuffs, which he has on. Now I will keep them on. He can probably hold his sunglasses with this hand, and there's also some movement in the wrists. Okay, this needs to stay on, I think, this rubber thing. Yeah. Okay, and you put this rubber thing in, and then I think, then you have to do, oh wait, course, you can make it higher and then put it in, and then you can make this white to put under his arms, probably. Let's see how that. Okay, yeah, well, he is floating, but yeah, it works like that, and probably you can push him down now. Yeah, okay. I like the other stand more, the Declan Lake stand, but okay. There's some metallic thing on, and then the fabric is also in different colors. Very, very nice. And of course, the same goes for the other shoe. And they look, well, I thought it would look better. It doesn't come off on camera as nice as it does in real life, somehow. There he is. Okay. You can just, there are his earrings. So let's see if I can get them in his head. Look, and there it is again. So it's very, oh, oh, and I broke his earring. Okay, do you have to, look, do you have to make the holes bigger yourself? And I'm back with a needle. So let's see, maybe I have to push, make the hole bigger. Oh, no, it is a hole. I'm already in. So I'm already in. Okay, finally, I've got one earring in. Oh, okay. So it will only have one because I broke the other one. Could probably use it as a little shiny thingy. It does look good on him though. And comparison with Tate, he also got earrings, but of course they're plastic. Yeah, okay. And it does look good. So, like this. Yes, very nice. Okay, let's put his head back like this. Oh, and his earring. Are very nice, and you can look through them, but they're very dark, and like I said, they have a mechanical hinge. They stay on pretty well, but why would you hide such a gorgeous face? Okay, normally you can just do this and then it will tie, but in this case it won't. Is the watch or on his other wrist? I think I will put it on the other wrist. Scarf, which is see-through, very thin, very nice. I should iron it. Yeah, Declan looks a little bit taller even, but probably because of his hair. Thank you for watching to beautiful Tajinder.